Welcome back, my YouTube channel worth old coin value. Today's video, we'll take a deep dive into this coin 1959D Lincoln Memorial 1-cent coin from the United States. This coin holds a special place in numismatic history, not just because of its design, but also because of its connection to major historical changes in American coinage. The 1959D penny marked a major transition in the appearance of the United States 1-cent coin. Prior to this year, the cent featured the famous wheat reverse, known as the Lincoln wheat penny. But in 1959, to honor the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the U.S. Mint introduced a brand new reverse design, the Lincoln Memorial. The obverse of the coin still features the familiar bust of President Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. This portrait had been in use since 1909, making it one of the longest-running coin designs in U.S. history. Lincoln remains the first real person to appear on a circulating American coin. On the reverse, however, the wheat stalks were replaced with an image of the Lincoln Memorial Building in Washington, D.C. This design was created by Frank Gasparo, who later became chief engraver of the United States Mint. His design is notable because it was the first time a seated statue, the Lincoln statue inside the memorial, was included on a coin, even though it is very small. The 1959 Lincoln Memorial cent was also the first small denomination coin in the U.S. to depict an actual monument rather than a symbolic design. This shift reflected changing attitudes in coin design during the mid-20th century, leaning more toward realism and national pride. When the Lincoln Memorial reverse debuted in 1959, it was met with mixed reviews. Some collectors missed the traditional wheat ears that had adorned the reverse for 50 years. Others praised the new design for its historical depth and architectural beauty. The coin was struck in two main U.S. mint facilities, Philadelphia and Denver. The Philadelphia coins have no mint mark, while Denver coins are marked with a small d under the date. Both versions were released in large numbers and quickly entered circulation across the country. In terms of composition, the 1959 penny is made of 95% copper and 5% zinc. This copper-based composition gives it a distinctive reddish-brown color when uncirculated, although coins often turn brown or dark with age due to oxidation and handling. Over 600 million 1959 pennies were minted in Philadelphia alone, and over 1.2 billion were minted in Denver. With over 1.8 billion coins in total, it's easy to see why many people still find these coins in pocket change today. Even though most 1959 Lincoln Memorial cents are common, their historical significance and the switch from wheat to memorial reverse make them an important coin for any U.S. coin collection. They represent the beginning of a new era in cent design that would continue for the next 50 years. So, what is the value of a 1959 Lincoln Memorial 1-cent coin today? For circulated examples in average condition, the value is usually just 1 cent, its face value. Uncirculated coins can range from 10 cents to a few dollars depending on their luster and condition. High-grade examples, certified MS 65 or above by grading companies like PeaceGS or NGC, can bring $10 to $25. Proof versions, struck especially for collectors, can range from $5 to $30. However, one extremely rare variety of this coin, a 1959 D wheat reverse cent, has been valued at over $1 million because it is believed to be a mint error and possibly unique. That's right, a 1959 D cent was discovered with the wheat ears design instead of the memorial reverse, making it an incredible rarity. This coin defied the official records and is considered a mysterious transitional error. It reportedly sold for $1.7 million, though some experts still debate its origin. Regardless, this shows how certain errors or rare varieties can command astronomical prices in the coin collecting world. For most collectors, though, the 1959 cent is more valuable as a piece of history than as a financial investment. It's a great starter coin for young collectors and those interested in American history. as it marks the beginning of the memorial cent series that ran until 2008. If you're lucky enough to find a 1959 Lincoln cent in great condition or one from a mint set, hold on to it. While it may not be worth a fortune, it's a significant piece of numismatic history that adds depth to any collection. Proof versions from 1959 are particularly sought after by collectors who focus on early memorial cents. When examining your 1959 cents, always look for unusual characteristics like doubling in the letters or numbers, unusual colors, or striking errors. Sometimes small die variations or misstrikes can add value, especially to collectors who focus on coin errors and varieties. Another thing to note is the overall historical context. The year 1959 was during President Eisenhower's final year in office. The Cold War was in full swing, and American culture was rapidly changing. This coin, in a way, captures a moment in time, a bridge between early 20th century America and the modern age. Many collectors consider the Lincoln Memorial reverse design to be elegant and symbolic. With Lincoln's statue visible between the columns of the memorial, the coin also represents unity, justice, and national strength. It's a small but powerful reminder of the ideals Lincoln stood for. The Lincoln Memorial cent remained in use until 2008, when it was replaced by the Lincoln Bicentennial Series in 2009 and then the Union Shield Reverse in 2010. But this coin 1 cent 1959D Lincoln Memorial United States coin history.